morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to attempt to eat like a supermodel. Now, which supermodel, you may be asking? Martha Hunt. So there's a video on Harper's Bazaar that Martha Hunt did with them, walking them through what she eats in a day. And let's just say it was not what I expected. Also, I want to give a quick shout out to Tara because I saw her do this video on her channel with Kylie Jenner, and that's how I sort of got inspired to try this as well with someone else. So shout out to you, Tara. I'll have her original video linked down below. So let's get started.
So I'll make a matcha almond latte, which is matcha mixed with almond milk.
Okay, matcha almond latte. We got it covered. It's so dark in here today. It's rainy out. So Martha likes to start her day with a matcha almond latte. Luckily, I have matcha almond beverage in my fridge, and this is one of my favorite things. I often start my day with this as well, so I guess I already eat like a supermodel. I like to have mine iced. Ice in a cup. This is from Trader Joe's, by the way. Don't worry, I have another on hand. There you go, matcha almond latte. I know this is not really a latte, it's called a beverage, but I think it's pretty close. Oh, Molly, metal straw. What a way to start our day. I love it already. I'm just warning you guys, this video is not going to be super healthy. It won't be super unhealthy, but like, just warning you. Okay, we're gonna start work for the day while I enjoy my matcha. And once I'm finished with this, we will make breakfast. Okay, last little sip of matcha. Done. Let's have our breakfast now. I never eat breakfast. I'm totally not hungry at all. So, not ideal, but it has to be done.
Probably have something light, so I'll do something like a toasted English muffin with almond butter on it.
An English muffin for breakfast. Now, I didn't want to buy a whole thing of English muffins because I just won't eat them, and I thought it would be really wasteful, but what I did have was biscuits, which I feel like is pretty similar, right? Like I can cut this in half and have it as my breakfast. We're just gonna cut this in half and put it in the toaster. Right, we're just gonna let this toast up for like, I don't know, just a few minutes. And then she has hers with almond butter. I prefer peanut butter, but we're gonna stick with the almond butter. Should we use classic? Although, hold on, right, so she mentioned this fancy peanut butter that has coconut sugar in it.
If I'm feeling really decadent, then I'll add this almond butter that's called Gem Cinnamon Maca Almond Butter. There's coconut sugar in it, so it's a little bit better for you than normal sugar.
So I thought maybe coconut almond butter is the move because that's sort of similar. And this is a little Justin's one. This is all toasted up. We have our almond butter ready, coconut almond butter. And I'm just gonna go ahead and squish some of this on there and then spread. Okay, so we obviously have to taste test it, duh. These are sort of hot still. I hope I don't burn myself. Yeah, that's yummy. It's a nice little light breakfast at least. At least it's not like some sort of giant feast. I'd be SOL if that was the case.
A typical lunch for me would be plant-based vegan chili, and it's all plant-based, but I end up mixing in a lot of white cheddar, so that sort of defeats the point of it being vegan.
Okay, everyone, it is lunchtime. I have to admit, I didn't finish my breakfast. I finished most of it, but I just really wasn't hungry and I didn't want to like force myself to eat something, but it's 2:30 now and I'm definitely ready to get some food in me. Martha Hunt for lunch has chili, and she says that she orders it from a restaurant, which I obviously can't do because I'm pretty sure that restaurant is in New York. So actually what I did is I made some vegan chili last night, and we are going to have the leftovers today, which I feel like is sort of like ordering because I don't have to cook anything right now. Similar to her, question mark? So let's dive into my vegan chili. Here we are. Oh, this is gonna be so yummy. Okay, into the microwave, just 1 minute. And she said that she puts cheese on hers, which obviously makes it not vegan anymore, so I'm gonna do the same. This is a, oh, actually look, this is a soy cheese. I've never tried this. Should we try it before we put it on our lunch? Definitely can't hurt to try it first, just in case it's gross. Yeah, I mean, it tastes mostly like cheese, I think. I'll put some of this on. Got our chili. Oh, this stuff is so good. Here goes our cheese right on top. Voila. Let's try a bite of our chili with our soy cheese blend. Oh man. It's so yummy, so hearty, and just so good. You guys, chili is like just one of the more delicious pleasures in life. I need to get back to work, but I'm definitely going to enjoy this chili. Typically, I would not have chili for lunch. This is more of like a dinner thing for me. I like to eat a little lighter during the day and then have like a really big meal at night, but she eats big for every meal. Although I guess breakfast wasn't big technically, just as big for me because I don't eat breakfast. But you'll see this day is not slowing down. Tonight's dinner is also a big one. Well, exciting twist to this video. The power is out. It's apparently neighborhood-wide. Everywhere. Has no power. Love that. So what better time for a snack than a power outage, because I can't do anything else now because I don't have Wi-Fi and my phone is not properly charged.
I usually crave something really salty. So at some point in my day, I'm probably having a cheese board, hummus, or olives.
So I think I'm gonna go with olives because I have some jalapeno stuffed olives in my fridge, which sounds really good right now. It's legit like the Hunger Games when your power is out and you have to open your fridge because you have to go as quickly as possible to try to keep all the cold air in there. Let's do this. I'm pretty sure I know exactly where it is. Bottom shelf. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Woo! We got it, you guys. We love a twist in a video. These are Jeff's Naturals jalapeno stuffed olives. Oh, oh no, olive juice. I have my little fork designed specifically for olives. Gotta love that. God, this is sort of hard to see. Like I can't spot the olives in here. I love olives. You know what, I'm just gonna finish this whole jar of olives, I'm pretty sure. Come on. A little bowl of olives, what a delicious treat. Let's do it. I have to come over near the window so there's actually light and you guys can see me, but you're too high. Let me move you down here. Gotta take the retainers out. So usually the way that I eat these is I pull the jalapeno out of them and I feel like they're still a little spicy because the jalapeno has been sitting inside of them and in the juice in there. But would it be fun for the video to try one of them and see if I die? I should have water nearby. I am not great with spice. Maybe I should fill up my water first. I think I will. Okay, anyway, let's try one of these olives with the jalapeno. Oh my God, I'm nervous. Please, Lord, okay. Okay, no, I'm fine. That was actually fine. Maybe I'm better with spice than I thought. Hi, Molly, come say hi. There she is. Oh, olives are so good. These are actually really yummy with the jalapenos in there. I've been like messing up. Martha's so right that this is like the perfect little punch of salt that really satisfies you. They are actually a little spicy. Just afterwards, like at the back of your mouth, you can feel it a little, but it's actually pretty nice. Mommy's just sitting behind me. I wish you guys could see her. She loves when I sit on the floor. It's her favorite thing. Let's show everyone how cute you look right now. Hi, cutie. Are you wondering why I'm on the floor? Oh, that's very cute. You want snuggles? She's just sitting back there. Can you see her? No, you can't. What about if I go this way? Yeah, there she is. She's just sitting behind me. I need to make olives a snack more often. Are olives good for you? I don't even know. They can't be that bad for you, can they? I feel like I only ever have olives with a cheese board, but this is damn good. I'm gonna enjoy my delicious snack and try to do something while I wait for my power to come back, and I'll check in with you guys with an update when I have one.
I like to eat a really like decadent meal at night. So usually for my dinner, I'm having either pasta. I love a good rigatoni that has sausage and peas mixed in, like a thick, creamy tomato sauce.
Power is back on. We've been restored with light. Thankfully, before the sun went down, it came back, which was nice. And now it's dinner time. So, for dinner, Martha Hunt usually has, well, she named a few things, but she said her favorite thing to have is pasta with a red sauce. And then she said that she likes red sauce with sausage and peas, two things that I do not eat. So we're just gonna switch it up. She said that she likes it to be hearty, like a hearty red sauce. So we're gonna make it more hearty by cooking shrimp to put in the red sauce, which I feel like is a fine compromise, right?
I agree.
I mean, I'm just not gonna eat things that I don't like for the sake of this video. I'm just not going to, so sorry if that's cheating, but that's life. All right, water's boiling. We're making some fusilli pasta here. This is the brown rice and quinoa pasta from Trader Joe's. In we go. Shrimp is all cooked up in here. Our pasta's finished. We're gonna add some arrabbiata sauce. A little spicy. You wanna dump the pasta in here, Con? Oh yeah. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Meow. Shrimp, Molly? She loves the shrimp. Would you like Parmesan cheese on yours?
Are you gonna do it?
Yeah?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. So excited. Molly, why are you being such a crybaby? What? Okay, time to eat. Oh yeah. I mean, it's delicious. Look at Molly. Even she knows. This is really good, you guys.
Good call, Martha.
Right? I feel like no duh, this is delicious. But, you know, I still had to try it for you guys. I approve. Go Martha Hunt. Eating like a supermodel isn't that bad. I'm really not mad about it. I'm definitely going to enjoy this entire bowl of pasta. And now we have Survivor to watch. Let's go, Survivor.
Survivor.
And there's 24 hours of eating like a supermodel. It was delicious and I had a great time. So let's do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications, and I'll see you in my next video.